To update the account code for the agent commission to include GST, go to Setup, Account Codes, identify the account code there, highlight and select Open or double click the record line there, tick the GST box and save your changes. To update the commission percentage on the agent's record to include GST, go to Agents if you have an icon here. Alternatively, under the Edit New option will be Booking Agents. Identify the agent in the list here and open up the record. Again, either highlight and select Open or double click to open. We go across then to the Booking Information tab, modify the record and then update the commission percentage here. So in this case here we're increasing it by 10%, so 15 through to 16.5%. Save your changes and close the record. To identify all agent bookings that may be affected, in the Bookings grid, go to Reports and View, down to the Booking Information Report. Then using the filters up here, we'll identify the agent bookings. Select the agent in the option there. Use the date search to look at all bookings over the period. So from the 1st of July, just extend the date out there. Select how you wish those to be ordered and then bring up a copy on screen. Now this is a list of all agent bookings for the particular agent. You'll need to print this a number of times depending on the number of agents that may be affected. This will then assist you to identify bookings which need to potentially have adjustments made to them. Open the affected booking. Go into the Account tab and we can see here we've got a receipt, some monies for accommodation, monies for commission here, and the charges accordingly. So we need to make sure that these are updated. So what we need to do first of all is delete the charges that have been inserted. So the the agent commission ones. We then need to refund on the receipt and then redo it. So we need to refund the accommodation portion and the agent commission portion. So highlight the accommodation deposit, select the refund option here. I'm going to refund on the full amount, $425 to the guest. You put in a little blurb about what you're doing if that helps you. We might just copy that because we'll use it again on the next one. And our payment method for the refund is electronic. So save on that. Sure you want to continue. I've also got a prompt here about the surcharge for the credit card. Now I don't need to refund on the surcharge. It's just making me aware of that. We also need to refund on the agent commission. So again, highlight and refund. Refund all of that again to the guest electronically and save. Yes, we do. We won't worry about the surcharge as I mentioned. You may also get a prompt about cancelling the booking if you are refunding on all of the receipted monies. In that case, the answer is no, of course, because we will need to re-receipt the funds. So the original receipt here was for $500 with a 15% commission calculated. Now we've updated our GST and our commission percentage. When we re-receipt now, and again we need to re-receipt using the same payment method for the same amount, $500 on the credit card, which was a MasterCard. Very important, we remove the surcharge. We didn't reverse or refund the surcharge. We don't need to reapply it again. So we save on that now. We can print or not, depending on whether you want copies of the receipt. And what we have now is the new charges inserted there, the commission and a GST component, and now corresponding accommodation and agent commission receipt there. Again, we can see the updated amount and the portion of GST calculated as well. So next thing, of course, we need to bank and reconcile our new receipt. Into the Banking tab, our receipt there. You finalise the deposit on that. Print the reports if you wish to do so. And then under the reconcile, what we have in here is the 2 lines of our refund, our new receipt that we've now banked, and by ticking all 3 transactions there, we keep ourselves in a balanced position.